Hello my friends! Welcome to my new video. This time I will print with my 3D pen the cat from Dragonball Scratch, also called Tama. Like and share it with your friends. Support me by subscribe, click the bell, don't miss a video. Let's go!
Versace on my wrist, baby, make a wish. You could sell your Rari, but you can't afford my outfit. Versace on my wrist, baby, make a wish. You could sell your Rari, but you can't afford my outfit. Versace on my wrist, baby, make a wish. You could sell your Rari, but you can't afford my outfit. Go wish.
Say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online, and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow
Oh, look at this cutie! What do you think about this figure? Comment down below. What do you want to see next? See ya on my next video.